Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Abraham. I'm here in my kitchen with my dog Twister. Say hi, Twister. That's Twister. She's my puppy. Well, we're going to do some color mixing science today, and as you can see I have some colors in my kitchen. I have a bowl of yellow, a bowl of red water, and a bowl of blue. Now all I used is I took 3 bowls just like that of plain old water, and I added some food color. So that's the blue food color. I added about 5 or 6 drops, maybe 7 drops. And then this is the red one. I added about the same. And I did the same to get the yellow. There's my yellow one. Now the yellow bottle has a yellow cover, but the food coloring inside looks kind of almost reddish orange. And then I took some of these. These are like medicine droppers. Maybe you have some in your house from some old medicines that your family used. If you don't have a medicine dropper, that's okay. You can just use a regular old spoon. That works too. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to take some of our blue, red, and yellow, and we're going to mix them to make new colors. Now you might remember what colors we get when we mix blue and red, or blue and yellow, or red and yellow. Or your big sister or brother might tell you. But even if you remember, it's fine. It's still lots of fun to do it. So I took 3 little bowls, and I just put a tiny little bit of water in them. See? Oops. There we go. There's just a tiny little bit of water. It just makes it a little bit easier to see the color changes that we're going to do. And that water is plain. There's nothing in it but just plain old water. So why don't we start with blue? I'm going to take my dropper, and I'll squeeze in some drops of blue. And there's one more thing I need to tell you. You need to protect your counters just in case you drip. So use some paper towel or newspaper to protect your counters. So I'm putting in some blue, and to make my little bowl of water blue. See how I'm doing that? A little bit more. I want to make it more blue. We could also use the spoon if you don't have one of these droppers. Alright, now I've got a good amount of blue water there. Now I'm going to take my red water that I already made. You'll have to have your mommy and daddy help you make the water in the first container. Now we're going to mix. I wonder what happens when I mix red and blue. Let's see what happens. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3, 4, 5. Is anything happening yet? Oh, take a look. Take a look right in there. What do you see happening? I see a new color coming. Let me do one more squirt of red. Maybe you already see it. 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use this to stir it up. Do you see a new color? It's not blue anymore, and it's not red. It looks very purple to me. Almost like, isn't Elsa like purple? It's almost like Elsa purple. I'll add a little bit more red and see. There we go. There's a nice purple. So now I have a nice purple. Let's try another color. What happens? We'll take our clear water again. And we'll let's start with some yellow. We'll take our clear water and we'll make a bowl of yellow. Here, I'm going to try to use the spoon. Maybe that'll go a little bit faster. Alright. There we go. Ooh, look at that pretty yellow water. It's very pretty. Now, we'll add some red. I'll get my red dropper again. 1 squirt of red. Anything happening yet? A little bit. I see some color changing. Ooh, look. It's not the same as the yellow we had before. It's a little bit more orangey. Look at that. We don't have yellow water. We don't have red water. But yellow and red, yellow and red mixed together make the color orange. Add one more red, make it even more orange. Mix it around. There we go. We've got our orange. So far we mixed blue and red to make purple. And we mixed red and yellow to make orange. I wonder what would happen if we mixed our blue with our yellow. Let's find out. I think I'll start with adding yellow to my little bowl of clear water. We'll do 3 spoonfuls. Look at all that yellow water. Very yellow, very bright. We'll do some, gotta get the right dropper here. We'll do some blue droppers. Ready? Now this might happen fast, so watch. Ooh, you see it right away? Blue mixed with yellow makes green. Ooh, let's mix that around. Just a really light green right now. Add some more blue. Look at that bright green. That's like a Kelly green, like a St. Patrick's Day green. Maybe the leprechauns came to your house and made something green in your house. Alright, so I hope you had fun watching us mix our colors, but now you have to ask your mommy and daddy if you can mix some colors at home. When mommy and daddy say it's the right time, maybe you can get some bowls and some food coloring and some spoons or droppers and mix up some, make your own colors. I wonder what happens if we mix all these colors together. Well, guess what? I already found out. I mixed all the colors together. I made this color. Whoops, let me put it right here. I can still see a little bit of purple in it, but it looks really pretty black when you look right at it. So that'll be cool if when you get all done, if you want to take a little bit of your different color waters and put it in a different bowl, and you can see what happens when you mix all the colors together and get a new color. Until later, we'll do another science project in a little bit. Have a great day. Bye-bye.